Is Frontier opening bell, getting today's trading day started. Hello, everyone, and welcome to Monday, the 21st of February. I am Muslim Afai. This is Frontier Africa Reports. Just a quick check in with the markets. A bit of a backward-looking data for Nigeria's weekly reports, just about 0.1% in the red. The BRVM finished on Friday at 12 basis points better. The Sunday market started off on the back foot in 1.42% for the Egyptian market. And of course, Friday was 21 basis points better in Nairobi, and South African GSE added about 0.8%, despite a bigger sell-off within the global and more developed equity markets. Okay, let's take on a few news items on board. Kenya's and the European Union have signed an interim economic partnership agreement, all on the back of last week's African Union meeting summit held, two-day summit held in Brussels. Then you've got the Central Bank of Kenya floating a 19-year infrastructure bond, 78% or 76% overbought, and that the total bid was about 132 billion shillings, by the way. Then Ilan Fathari, what a great, which is the real estate investment trust, has warned of about 25% drop in 2021 net earnings. Some of the numbers are coming through from last year. Uganda is looking to roll out its own digital currency, central bank digital CBDC. Nigeria rolled out e-Naira just a couple of months ago, late in 2021. But Uganda, one of the largest coffee producers in the world, has exited the International Coffee Organization after complaining a few weeks ago about the existing pact among coffee producers. Uganda wants a better deal. The exit by Uganda will last for about 2 years. In West Africa and Nigeria, the Central Bank of Nigeria has kicked against move by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission for the enactment of a new anti-money laundering law. The central bank says it's not necessary to enact a new law or to firm up the existing regulation which supervises money laundering and all those financial intelligence activities in the financial market, especially the banking sector. And the Central Bank of Nigeria reporting currency in circulation up to nearly 20% to about 3.33 trillion naira for the year behind us. Then Tertiary Resources of South Africa says it's got 4 permits for uranium mining or extractive activities in Niger Republic. That's Nigeria's border neighbor to the north. And the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia has given Cameroon fresh leave. Cameroon can now pay later the 1.13 billion CFA franc, which is a debt that Cameroon is owing Saudi Arabia. The kingdom has decided to suspend the repayment until later. And Ghanaian banks have written off about 2.08 billion cedis in bad debt for last year, part of cleaning up and reporting for the post-pandemic year, which 2021 was. Okay, I'm moving straight to the Southern African market, where the finance minister will on Wednesday deliver the budget program for the next 3 years. It's going to be a tough work for the Ramaphosa's administration, looking to balance debt as well as deficit. And, of course, the whole infrastructure and other spending, including social benefit, that the Ramaphosa administration says it will continue to give in its last State of the Nation address to support the businesses and families and individuals and citizens of South Africa, broadly speaking, considering the impact of COVID-19 and the high level of unemployment, north of 30% in Africa's most advanced economy. In the meantime, South Africa is looking for partners to help start its trading in gas. South Africa is getting into the oil and gas hydrocarbon business, despite the rest of the world trying to make a jump into a clean energy transition. Talk is already on throughout the world. And Through World says its operating profit up 32.5% for this half year. That's roughly 2.5 billion South African rand. And Exxaro, which is a mining company, and China's CNIC, they've signed a $2 billion African energy firm with Lekela. Antwerp says Zimbabwe. Antwerp, of course, is the capital of diamonds in the world, if you know that. It says Zimbabwe has the potential to produce diamonds of about $5 billion US dollars every year. So what's going on there with President Mnangagwa's administration? Get on the ground, dig the ground. $5 billion in diamonds is a whole lot of money that President Mnangagwa's administration could use in Harare. Support the economy and firm up local currency, and especially the very young or tottering foreign exchange markets. Finally, in Southern Africa, Zambia is looking at Sweden and others to invest in the country's renewable energy. Part of what President Suluhu is talking about. Okay, let's move on to talk about the North Africa, where Egypt Central Bank has offered 20 billion of local currency worth of treasury bills on Sunday to start the market week. Equities decline, and the treasury bills kicking off on that positive note on Sunday today, the second trading day. Monday, Egypt's bank deposit at about 22.3% to about 5.73 billion Egyptian pounds in full year 2020-2021, while export of gold in Africa's largest economy climbed $1.1 billion last year. And Tunisia's AMI Insurance says it has posted a turnover of about 143 million dirhams for its full year 2021. And African Industries revenue jumps 12.3%, 46.8 million dirhams in the year 2021. That's from Tunisia, and of course, finally from Morocco, which is African industry. Of course, that's all about it for this morning. And of course, that's how the market gets started. That's your opening bell. I'll see you again next time. Have a great day, everyone. Watch the show online. You can find us on frontierafricareports.com. You can go on our YouTube at Front Africa Reports. And of course, on social media, on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, as well as Twitter. Bye for now. Have a great day.